Welcome back to the 3-minute Egg Timer talk on big data maturity. Today follows on from our previous big data discussion to look at the maturity level of organizations surfing the big data wave and integrates the crawl, walk, run model discussed in the Shuha video. The adoption of big data and digitization are closely linked, so let's look at some examples. My local barbecue restaurant, run by a couple of people who have a passion for quality food. Their success is based on being handcrafted, authentic, and local. Digitization or big data won't make their barbecue taste better. They might have an Instagram page and they might use Square for payments, but they don't need big data to be successful. At the other extreme, we have true data natives, organizations that evolved and grew around big data applications. Think of Uber. They don't own a fleet of vehicles, yet they've experienced explosive growth, facilitating people getting from point A to point B. They do it through leveraging the power of big data. Real-time decisions such as which driver to send your way, made with high-velocity data that has a short shelf life. Longer-term decisions such as where to target driver recruitment are based on the volume of data they've accumulated over years of operation. Let's look at Google, who have an integrated product portfolio of search engine, YouTube, mail, mapping, and many more, all integrated to provide laser-focused advertising. The advantage for a data native is that their business model is built from the ground up around digitization and data. We have an exceptional few who started a business before the big data wave, but who have evolved to the point they are as good or better than data natives. Amazon has a business model predicated on data science in every business process. In between these extremes, we have the rest with varying levels of adoption of digitization and data science. Banks, insurance companies, and other financial players generally understand the value of the data and how to monetize it, although they don't always understand how to secure it. Think Equifax. Telecom and cable companies are mature, but probably not as mature as Netflix. Global manufacturing giants like GE use operational technology and big data to make their factories run more efficiently and integrate their supply chain across multiple business units. I recently ordered a handmade knife from a small manufacturer in Florida, and in much the same way as our barbecue restaurant, big data is not going to transform his business. It was tax day yesterday, so we could look at H&R Block with a global presence as being a mature example as they run their Watson big data analytics, and my personal accountant being somewhere down here. Government may be slow to transform, but look at the IRS processing enormous volumes of data, sitting them about here. Most cities are slow adopters, but some are taking real steps to become smart cities, so we'll put them here. Where does you and your organization sit in this data maturity model?